Welcome to Device Tech Tip channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to install Zoom application on your Android device. This could be your smartphone or tablet. I have received a comment from my viewer that my video is very slow, or perhaps extremely slow. My target viewers are beginners or new to these devices, so a lot of times you might find my videos a bit slow. If you want, you can change the speed of my YouTube videos in settings. Anyway, let's get started. Let's start with the home screen on your Android device. It should look very similar to this. First, you need to access your Play Store. It is this triangle icon. Tap that. Up on the top, there is a search bar. Please tap this. Once you tap it, the keyboard will pop up from the bottom. Type Zoom and tap magnifying glass. In the next screen, it will say Zoom Cloud Meeting. This is the application you want to install. Tap Install on the right. Next, tap Accept. Unfortunately, you cannot complete installation without tapping this Accept button. This installation process might take up to 10 minutes, depending on your device and internet speed. After the installation is complete, you can tap on Open to review how it looks like. You can tap on Join a Meeting button to proceed. If you want to go further, please check my other video on how to use Zoom application. You can hit Home button to go back to your main screen, and you can see Zoom icon created. Now you are done installing Zoom application, and you don't need to install this again. Thanks for watching.